Ever wonder why your shots drift, even with a good scope? That frustration starts before the trigger is pulled. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am breaking down the top 6 best laser bore sight that save ammo, time, and stress. Check the links below and choose smarter shooting from the start. The number 6 product on our list is UUQ bore sight. Most shooters waste ammo before realizing their optic was never aligned properly, and that frustration hits hard when confidence matters. The real struggle before buying a bore sighter is uncertainty, shaky zeroing, poor visibility, and tools that feel gimmicky. But this kit steps in with calm precision and instantly changes the mood. Setup feels intuitive, and the fit across calibers feels reassuring during real range prep. In side-by-side use with cheaper laser units that flicker or drift, this one stays centered and steady, which brings relief fast. Tested for real-world comfort, the balance feels right, and the bright beam remains visible even when light conditions fight back. The pros are broad compatibility, solid accuracy, durable build, and smooth operation. While the cons are that premium kits still offer slightly finer adjustment and metal cases. We only guide viewers toward gear that earns trust over time, and this delivers peace of mind for hunters, competitors, and home defenders who value smart preparation. At number 5 is Angeebin bore sight. Most missed shots are not about skill. They are about trust breaking between optic and barrel, and that moment drains confidence fast. Before using this kit, many shooters struggle with guesswork, dim dots, and tools that feel more like toys than serious gear. Yet this one brings instant calm once it clicks in place. The brass body feels purposeful, and the red beam stays sharp through common zeroing distances, which creates relief during setup. Compared to bulkier, multi-adapter kits in this lineup, this option is simpler, faster, and more focused, which some shooters will appreciate. Real range handling feels natural, and the balance proves it has been shaped with real shooting sessions in mind. The pros are clean visibility, durable construction, easy barrel fitting, and dependable consistency. While the cons are limited caliber range and fewer adjustment options than premium kits. We only point viewers toward tools that earn confidence over time, and this suits hunters and range shooters who value smart, efficient preparation.
At number 4 is TrongTools bore sight. Every wasted round at the range tells the same story. Alignment was never right, and confidence slowly slipped away. That frustration is exactly where this tool steps in, bringing clarity when guesswork usually takes over. Before using it, many shooters deal with slow zeroing, scattered shots, and constant doubt. But once the beam lines up, the relief is immediate. The brass build feels serious, and the laser stays consistent, which matters when time and ammo both cost money. In comparison to larger kits in this lineup, this option feels more focused and efficient, especially for common calibers where speed matters most. Real handling feels natural, and the balance reflects thoughtful design shaped by actual range use. The pros are fast setup, solid accuracy, durable construction, and reliable consistency, while the cons are fewer caliber options than premium multi-adapter sets. We only steer viewers toward gear that proves its value in real sessions, and this fits hunters, professionals, and disciplined shooters who want calm, precise preparation and smarter results. The third one on our list is CVLIFE bore sight. Most shooters discover too late that missed shots are born at the setup table, not at the trigger, and that realization hurts. Before using a proper bore tool, people struggle with endless adjustments, wasted ammo, and shaky confidence. But this setup changes the rhythm fast. The wide adapter range feels reassuring, and the green beam cuts through distance with calm authority, bringing instant relief during zeroing. In hands-on use, it feels balanced and thoughtfully built, proving it was shaped around real shooting routines rather than theory. Compared to simpler red beam options in this lineup, it shines brighter and steadier, especially when distance matters. The pros are broad caliber coverage, strong visibility, consistent alignment, and dependable power life. While the cons are that minimalist shooters may find the kit more than they need. We guide viewers toward gear that proves its worth through practice, and this suits hunters, competitors, and careful home defenders who value smart preparation, peace of mind, and a confident start before every shot.
On number 2 is Feyachi bore sight. The moment most shooters realize their zero is off is usually after wasted ammo and rising frustration, and that sting lingers. Before using a focused bore tool, people struggle with guesswork, unstable dots, and constant readjustments. But this one brings order fast. Sliding into the chamber feels precise, and the compact brass body inspires trust during setup. Real range alignment becomes calmer as the red beam stays centered and visible at practical distances, creating instant relief. Compared to bulkier, multi-caliber kits in this lineup, this option feels faster and more deliberate, especially for dedicated pistol users. Hands-on use feels natural, showing it was shaped with actual shooting sessions in mind. The pros are quick zeroing, solid accuracy, durable build, and convenient spare power, while the cons are single-caliber focus and shorter runtime per battery. We steer viewers toward gear that proves itself under real use, and this fits disciplined shooters who want a smart, efficient start before every range day. Now, moving to the last one is MidTen bore sight. Most shooters blame their scope when shots drift, but the real issue often starts before the first trigger pull. That early frustration is where this bore tool quietly earns trust. Before using it, many people fight slow zeroing, wasted ammo, and shaky confidence. Yet once it settles into the bore, everything feels calmer and more controlled. The brass body feels solid, and the beam stays steady through practical distances, which brings relief during setup. Compared to multi-caliber kits in this lineup, this one feels more focused and faster, especially for users dedicated to a single platform. Range handling feels natural, showing it was shaped around real shooting sessions, not marketing claims. The pros are quick alignment, consistent accuracy, durable build, and dependable power life, while the cons are limited caliber flexibility and a shorter working window per battery cycle. We guide viewers toward tools that prove value through use, and this suits disciplined shooters who want smart preparation, peace of mind, and a confident start every time.
Among all, the winner is OK CVLIFE bore sight because it zeroes fast, fits multiple calibers, saves ammo, feels durable, and delivers accuracy without setup. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best laser bore sight. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.